Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and this is Nuthan Kumar, and I hope everyone doing great. So for today's video, I come up with some other exciting Udemy courses for free of cost. And so before going in detail, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel to get instant notifications regarding government jobs, internships, private jobs, and free courses and everything. So let's get started with the courses. So first course is MySQL Database Administrator and Developer Certification Exam. You'll get certificate from Oracle. Okay, this course includes 4 practice tests, full lifetime access with you will get the certificate too. And we'll move to the next one, Certified Ethical Hacker Practice Exam updated. This course is updated one. Only one day left for this price. So this course includes 5 practice tests, full lifetime access with certificate of course completion will be provided. And next one is very demanded course, Google Certified Professional Cloud Architect practice test. Only 2 days left of this price. This course includes 4 practice tests, full lifetime access with certificate will be provided. And next one, financial analysis with Python, analyzing balance sheets. So this course includes 3 years on-demand video with full lifetime access, and you'll get one article too. And certificate of completion will be provided. Only one day left of this price. You'll be learning financial analysis using Python, learning and interpreting different balance sheets, ratios, compare financial data across companies, understanding balance sheet, plot financial data. All of the above points will be automated using Python. So next course is Advanced Microsoft Excel Formulas and Functions course 2020 updated one. This is a new course. You'll be learning uh, different among relative, absolute, and mixed references. How to create the multiplication tables using mixed references and like you just go through these ones. Okay, how to use rank functions, index, matches, and how to create data entry form in Excel, and how to convert the functions, and how to add the zeros in Microsoft Excel, how to use relative and absolute and mixed references as well. So this course includes 2 hours on-demand video with 17 downloadable resources are available, and you will get the certificate after completion of this course. Only one day left of this price. Next course is Business Fundamentals for Small Startups Entrepreneurs. This is a good course and only one day left at this price. This course includes 2 hours on-demand video with 15 downloadable resources. Full lifetime access with certificate will be provided. So you'll get to know how customers buy and design a unique selling proposition that fits their unmet wants, needs, and desires. Learn how to find white label, drop shipping, or global outsourcing suppliers that fit your business needs and everything. And just go through these ones. The next course is Flow Controls Fundamentals of Programming in Python. This course is very useful for those who are preparing for the campus placements. And only one day after this price, this course includes 30 minutes on demand video, full lifetime access with certificate will be provided. It will help students to build strong foundation of flow controls in Python with examples in Jupyter Notebook. So they are going to discuss Python if statements, Python if else statements, and everything. Just basic flow controls. Next course is Deep Learning Basics to Advanced Level. This course includes 9.5 hours on-demand video with full-time access, and certificate will be provided. You'll be learning how to create various model and solve the problems hands-on using Keras. And as a part of various hands-on activities, students will learn how to apply deep learning to real-world problems. That's a good thing. Only 2 days left of this price. Please go and grab it. Our next course is Best Math course on functions and transformations. Only 2 days left. Despite this course includes 2 hours on-demand video with 14 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, and certificate of completion. Course completion will be provided. You'll be learning what is relation, differences between relations and functions, inverse functions, everything. And next one is Complete Progressive Web App Bootcamp. Only one day left of this price. This course includes 2 hours on-demand video, 17 downloadable resources, and full lifetime access with course completion certificate will be provided. So you'll be learning progressive how to make progressive web app and create a progressive web app that is installable to home screen. Use service workers to enable your applications to work offline and everything. And next one is complete modern JavaScript Firebase Bootcamp the beginner. Only one day left this price. This course includes 6 hours on-demand video, 107 downloadable resources with certificate will be provided for lifetime access. And you'll be learning Ajax and APIs and everything, and OOP including ES5 Bootstrap prototypes and classes and everything. The next one is Python certification training, beginner to expert level. Only 2 days after this price. This course includes 29.5 hours on-demand video, 20 downloadable resources. Certificate will be provided. You will learn from basics to advanced level. So these are the some courses. So if you have any doubts regarding this, you just comment, or else if you want any particular course, just comment in comment section below. We will try to get it for you. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. So please make sure that if you like this video, and please do share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.